Hi everyone, welcome to the Tenorshare AI channel. In today's video, we'll talk about the best ways to bypass AI detectors and make your AI-generated text look completely natural. Whether you're working on essays, creating content, or just exploring what AI can do, I'll share practical steps you can take to achieve this. Plus, if you're looking for an even simpler way, I'll also introduce you to some tools that can make this process faster and more efficient, so stay tuned to learn more. Let's start with the basics. What are AI detectors? These are tools that analyze your text to figure out if it was written by artificial intelligence. They're often used in schools, on plagiarism platforms, or by organizations that need to ensure originality. But don't worry, there are ways to make your text undetectable. First, consider editing your text for a human touch. This means manually tweaking the content. Adjust sentence lengths, rephrase some sections, and include your unique voice or personal insights. These small changes can help your text look more natural and avoid being flagged. Second, you can use professional tools. My recommendation is Best AI Humanizer Tenorshare AI Bypass, which can optimize AI-generated content to make it indistinguishable from human-written articles. It also simplifies the process further, making it especially useful for academic essays or professional articles. Finally, always test your content before submitting it. Use an AI writing detector to ensure your text is truly undetectable. This step allows you to make additional tweaks if necessary, giving you confidence that your work will pass any checks. So, whether you're working on essays, writing articles, or engaging in creative projects, Tenorshare AI Bypass can help you save time and ensure your content looks authentic and original. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on using AI tools and improving your writing. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.